Welcome to my channel. In this video, we're unboxing Samsung A650 soundbar and giving you our first impressions of this powerful audio system. Active wireless subwoofer. Total power 430 watts. Dolby Digital Audio. DTS Virtual. Bass Boost. Bolt and center speaker. Wall mount kit. HDMI cable. Power cables. Remote control. Power adapter. Sound mode. Surround sound expansion. Dim. Standard. Adaptive light. DTS Virtual X. Bass Boost. With its advanced audio technology, sleek design, and user-friendly features, the A650 is designed to elevate your home entertainment experience. HDMI in, HDMI out, optical inputs, USB music playback, Bluetooth multi-connection. Comfortable sleek design remote control. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep up with our latest reviews and tech insights. Drop your thoughts and questions in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Let's check the sounds. Please make sure to use headphones.